welcome to Babymonster's first world tour here in Vietnam. Shall we introduce ourselves first? From that side.
That side?
Laura.
Okay. Hi guys, nice to meet you. Thank you for coming. Hi Monsters, this is Asa. Let's have fun tonight. Hi guys, I'm Aya. You're finally here. Are you ready to enjoy?
This is Rita.
Xin chào.
Xin chào Monsters. It's Rita. Nice to see you guys. Hi, I'm Chiquita. Nice to meet you. Thank you for coming to our sound check. Letlet's move on to our next song. Billionaire.